Hello and welcome to our video on how to keep your data safe during the application security trend. As technology continues to advance, there is an increasing need to secure your personal information and data. In this video, we will be discussing some tips and best practices that can help you keep your data safe when using various applications. Tip number 1. Keep your applications up to date. One of the most important steps you can take to secure your data is to keep your applications up to date. Many applications are updated regularly with security patches and bug fixes. These updates help to protect your data from potential security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cybercriminals. Make sure to enable automatic updates whenever possible and check for updates regularly. Tip number 2. Use strong passwords. Using strong passwords is a crucial step in securing your data. Make sure to use unique passwords for each application you use, and avoid using common passwords such as password or 123,456. Consider using a password manager to keep track of all your passwords and generate strong, random passwords that are difficult to guess. Tip number 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security that requires you to provide additional information beyond just your password to access your account. This could be a code sent to your phone or a biometric verification such as a fingerprint scan. Enabling two-factor authentication can help prevent unauthorized access to your data, even if someone has your password. Tip number 4. Be careful with public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are convenient, but they are often unsecured, making them an easy target for cybercriminals to intercept your data. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts, such as your bank account or email, when using public Wi-Fi. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your data and protect your privacy. Tip number 5. Review app permissions. When you install a new application, it may request access to various permissions, such as access to your camera, microphone, or location. Review these permissions carefully and consider whether the application really needs access to that information to function properly. Avoid granting unnecessary permissions that could potentially expose your data to security risks. Tip number 6. Only download apps from trusted sources. Only download applications from trusted sources such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These platforms perform extensive security checks on the applications they host, reducing the risk of downloading malicious software. Avoid downloading applications from third-party sources, as these may not be as secure and could potentially contain malware. Conclusion. In conclusion, securing your data during the application security trend is critical to keeping your personal information safe. By following these tips and best practices, you can help protect your data from potential security risks. Remember to keep your applications up to date, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, be careful with public Wi-Fi, review app permissions, and only download apps from trusted sources. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel's Cybersecurity Guru.